Troubleshooting video series. Charging unit. My charger is blinking red. What happened? Your battery charger uses lights to help indicate when the system is charging your hearing aids, as well as notify you if there's something wrong. When both lights are flashing red, the room temperature is out of range. Charging is paused until temperature is in range. If one or both lights are blinking red, please verify the hearing aid batteries are ZPower rechargeable batteries. You can see this written on the batteries themselves. Your charger will detect the chemistry of the battery and not charge them if they are the wrong chemistry. Replace the normal batteries with the rechargeable batteries and follow the normal process to charge your hearing aids.